I recently purchased the Amazon Basics basket coffee filters for my 8 to 12 cup coffee maker, and I must say I am impressed. With a pack of 200 filters, I won't be needing replacements anytime soon. First and foremost, these coffee filters are incredibly efficient. They fit perfectly in my coffee maker's basket, ensuring a secure and snug fit. I haven't experienced any issues with grounds seeping through or overflowing during the brewing process. The filters effectively trap the coffee grounds, resulting in a clean and smooth cup of coffee every time. Durability is another notable feature of these filters. Despite being made of paper, they feel sturdy and don't tear easily. I appreciate this, as it gives me peace of mind that I won't end up with coffee grounds in my cup due to filter breakage. One thing I particularly like about these Amazon Basics filters is their white color. It may seem like a small detail, but it adds a touch of elegance to the overall coffee brewing experience. Additionally, the white color makes it easier to see if any residue or sediment is left behind, prompting me to clean the coffee maker more thoroughly. In terms of value for money, these filters are hard to beat. With 200 filters in a pack, the cost per filter is quite reasonable. Considering their efficiency and durability, I believe they offer excellent bang for your buck. However, it's worth noting that these filters are designed specifically for basket-style coffee makers, so make sure they are compatible with your machine before purchasing. If you have a different type of coffee maker, you may need to look for filters that are specifically designed for that model. Overall, I highly recommend the Amazon Basics basket coffee filters for anyone in need of reliable and efficient coffee filters. They consistently deliver a great cup of coffee, and the generous pack size ensures that you won't run out anytime soon.